Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up linking your credit card to Robinhood for deposits step by step clearly. Open the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, locate the account icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the account icon to access your account settings. Scroll down to find the option labeled Transfers. Select Transfers to proceed with linking your credit card. In the Transfers section, look for the Linked Accounts option. Tap on Linked Accounts to manage your payment methods. Select Add New Account to link your credit card. Choose the option to link a credit or debit card. Enter your credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure the billing address matches the one on file with your credit card provider. Review your details for accuracy. Once confirmed, tap Save to link your credit card. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a code sent to your phone or email. Enter the verification code if required and submit. Your credit card is now linked to your Robinhood account for deposits. You can now return to the Transfers section to make deposits using your linked credit card. Follow any additional prompts to complete your first deposit. Once completed, you can start trading using the funds deposited from your credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.